If you ask me, I would say the market is scary right now, but at the same time, it is the stock picker's dream right now. Because if you're looking for growth stock, whatever it is right now, I'm sure you're gonna find anywhere from 10 to 20% down that you can pick up. And in the near future, you're gonna be way off buying it now than waiting for the stocks to be going up before you decide to buy. Because most of the stock right now are down at least 10 to 30%. Hello, welcome to Finance 101. This is Road to 10K episode 16. So let's look at the account and see what is happening this week. So far, I kept everything I have, and like I said, Apple is you buy and hold. Apple is not something you trade. Amazon is down a little bit, so it's one of those companies you're gonna have to watch out for because they're trying to spread them out. And if you heard the news how Google is going to spread 20 to 1, so in the near future, Google is going to be around, say, $150 stock. So look out for that. And if you can afford one right now, when the spread actually is finalized, you can actually grab some because Google is such a great company. It's one of those you need to buy. I did buy Crayfield Asset when I sold two out of my three Nvidia. I was up a little bit, so that's when I used that to buy Clayfield Asset and had 5 shares. I was up a little bit, but now as you can see, I'm down $3. That's not bad because I'm looking at this stock going back up to $85 right here. And as we go down, Salesforce, I'm down $14 here. And actually, I did get paid dividend on Bristol and Myers. I got paid dividend for Bristol and Myers, and I also got paid dividend for DIV. DIV's dividend is like a clockwork. Every month it just comes right in, and even though it's a small Canadian company and a lot of stocks are taking a beating, yet DIV is able to withstand all that is going on and still it's still up. Like doesn't go down any lower than $2 and I think 72 cents. It's always bouncing up and down from there. So I'm starting to think it's a great stock, maybe I need to add more to. And I also think it's a buying opportunity for Ford right now because I pick up Ford at what I think $11 something. It went up to it's $20 now, but it went up to I think 25. And because of what is going on, it went down a little bit. But as you can see, I'm still up at what 77.11% on Ford. I have been leveraging down on Face Drive. I think my first price was around $2 and something, but now I think my average is $1.37. So I'm still working on that. I got about maybe 600 shares. Let's see what happens with that. Um, Lightspeed is starting to pick up a little bit. I think it went down as low as $32, and lately been bouncing back slowly. As you can see, I'm down big time on Lightspeed. I know you can't always talk about your wins. You gotta talk about your losses too, and that's one of the stocks that I'm down big on. But it's gonna bounce back. That's not a problem. Just time will tell. The new Norwegian cruise line. The cruise lines were doing good until the new Omicron came along. Then they start dropping again. So as you can see, I only got one shares of Nvidia left because I sold the other two to buy other stuff. So and I'm still up 12% on that. Nvidia is always a great stock. I was up. That's the only reason why I sold that to buy something else. But if it wasn't for what's going on, I'll still be buying more Nvidia. So that's still a great price to get in on Nvidia if you don't have anything yet. Shopify has been down a little bit lately, and one of my other stock killing me is Westwater Resources. So the portfolio is still kind of it is okay now. I'm still, what 5,300 now. I think about 2 3 days ago I was under 5,000, so it's coming back up, and it seems like it's doing okay. And maybe the market may be stable a little bit, and I see some things starting to rise a little bit. So if we hit the bottom, I'm not sure, but I've already started buying slowly. I buy things here and there, but not going too crazy because nobody really know where the bottom is. But when some of your favorite stocks are like 15-20% down, I think it's time to pull the trigger. You buy some, you buy in 3 levels. You start it off with a little bit and see if it drop. You buy more, and if it drop, then you go in your last buy and get it over with. Because I don't think it's gonna be staying this low for any much longer. Because the stock market is really, really cheap now. It's a stock picker's dream right now. So it's up to you if you're ready to buy something. I think it's the time to buy it. So buy for now. Don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.